Want to link mobile number in PUBG but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to link mobile number in PUBG. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by tapping on the arrow icon from the bottom right corner. Then tap on the settings button. Next tap on the link button beside link mobile number. Now you need to enter your phone number. After you have entered the phone number, tap on the Obtain button to obtain the verification code. The code will be sent to your phone number through SMS. Check your SMS inbox and copy the code. Then create a new password and again enter it to confirm. And that's how you can link mobile number in PUBG. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.